Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox look glossy. To begin, select your part and navigate to its properties. The reflectance property is your primary tool. Setting it to a value like 0.5 will give a noticeable shine. For a more pronounced effect, adjust the specular property, which controls how light bounces off the surface. Experiment with values between 0 and 1 to find the perfect balance for your desired glossy appearance, making your creations truly stand out with a sleek finish. Beyond basic properties, Roblox offers advanced materials to enhance gloss. Materials like smooth plastic naturally exhibit a subtle sheen, while metal provides a highly reflective surface. For even greater detail, consider using surface appearance with physically based rendering or PBR textures. These textures allow for intricate control over metallic and roughness maps, enabling you to create incredibly realistic and varied glossy effects. This approach offers a powerful way to elevate the visual fidelity of your models. Lighting is paramount for showcasing glossy objects effectively. Ensure your lighting service has appropriate settings. A bright, well-lit environment will naturally highlight reflections. Adjust Environment Diffuse Scale and Environment Specular Scale to control how much the environment contributes to the overall look. Incorporating a sky object and an atmosphere can also add realistic environmental reflections, making your glossy surfaces truly come alive and integrate seamlessly into your world, enhancing the immersive experience for players. To achieve the perfect glossy look, continuous experimentation is key. Don't hesitate to try different combinations of reflectance, specular, and material properties. Always test your creations under various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dim interiors, to ensure consistent quality. Remember to balance visual appeal with performance. Overly complex materials can impact game efficiency. With these techniques, you'll be able to craft stunning, glossy assets that elevate the aesthetic of your Roblox experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.